Student, I hope you are absolutely fine. In the previous video I have discussed the two type of lenses which are in your syllabus, concave and convex lens. In today's video I am going to discuss the image formation or type of images formed by these two lenses. So before going through the image formation, let us take some points which we have to kept in our mind, which we will use for image formation, for drawing the image formation. So these the points are, first point is the ray parallel to the principal axis, the ray parallel to principal axis after refraction will pass through the focus, This is our first point which we have to kept in our mind. And these rules are similar for both the lenses, concave as well as convex lenses. So I'll draw a diagram which show this rule. This is for convex and this is for concave. Concave is the one which is thin at the middle and thick at the outer, and opposite of that is convex. So this is the first focus and this one is the second focus. This is the first focus and this one is the second focus. Clear? So what will we do? So what does rule say? If parallel rays are coming to the principal axis, this is the principal axis, ये principal axis है हमारी, and if parallel rays are coming to the principal axis after refraction, and कैसा लेंस है ये, converging, तो converge होगा at the focus. कहाँ converge होगा? Focus पे. This will pass like that. कहाँ पर दोनों rays कहाँ पे converge हुई? Focus पे. And the point where the two rays will converge or appear to diverge or appear to converge, the two rays converge, appear to converge or diverge. Clear? Converge, appear to converge और diverge. आप दोनों बोल सकते हैं concave lens के लिए, दोनों. They are appear to converge, क्योंकि converge तो हो नहीं रही है, इसलिए क्या बोल सकते हैं? appear to converge. और एक्चुअल में क्या हो रही है? diverge, इसलिए क्या बोल सकते हैं? diverge. ठीक है? So the parallel rays will converge at a point and that point is focus. So all the parallel rays will converge in the case of converging lens and appear to converge in the case of diverging lens. Clear? So parallel rays, and what type of lens it is? It is diverging lens. So the rays will diverge. So they will appear to diverge from the focus. Clear? They will appear to diverge from the focus. अगर मैं इनको पीछे की तरफ extend करूंगी तो क्या लगेगा? Focus से. So this one is the imaginary focus of concave lens. It is the actual focus? No, it is not the actual focus. It is the virtual focus or imaginary focus of concave lens. Clear? First rule is clear to you. So now move to second rule. The second rule says that if any ray will pass through the optical center, it will pass undeviated or it do not bend. Clear? So कोई भी रे कहाँ से पास हो, अगर ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से, तो वो कैसी होगी? विदाउट एनी डेविएशन पास होगी. क्लियर? दिस इज द ऑप्टिकल सेंटर, this is the principal axis, this is the optical center. If a ray is passed through the optical center, अगर कोई रे ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से पास होती है तो वो कैसी होगी, विदाउट एनी डेविएशन, बेंडिंग नहीं होगी उसमें. क्लियर. सो विदाउट एनी डेविएशन. क्लियर. इट विल पास लाइक दैट without any deviation. Now come to third rule. What does third rule say? Third rule is similar to the first one or reciprocal of first one. If the ray is passing through the focus, if a ray is passing through the focus, after refraction, it will appear parallel to the principal axis. What was in first? In first, the ray is coming parallel to the principal axis, so it will pass through the focus. But in third, the ray is coming from the focus, so after refraction it will appear parallel to the principal axis. Clear? So its ray diagram look like this is our convex lens and this is concave lens. This is our principal axis, optical center, first focus, आप F1 F2 को चेंज भी कर सकते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम. सो इन दिस इफ द रे इज कमिंग फ्रॉम फोकस, कहां से आ रही है, फोकस से. सो द रे लुक लाइक इट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम फोकस. सो आफ्टर रिफ्रैक्शन इट विल अपीयर पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के क्या हो जाएगी, पैरेलल हो जाएगी. क्लियर. सो लेट्स डू image formation by convex lens. Image formation by convex lens. So for image formation we have to keep in our mind these rules which I have told you. Clear. So first let's take our object beyond 2f1. 2f1 is also known as C1. C1 is center of curvature. So this is our convex lens and this is principal axis. This is the optical center. This is first focus. This is center of curvature. Center of curvature is also written as 2f1. Clear. This is f2 second focus and 2f2. 2f2 is also known as C2. Center of curvature twice होता है ना. ये दोनों distance क्या है, equal. These two distances are equal. And this, the radius of curvature is, what is the relation between radius of curvature and focus? Radius of curvature is twice of focus. So first radius of curvature is equal to twice of focal length of first. Clear? So we have to draw the ray diagram and we have to draw at least 2 rays from the object so that our image is formed at the point where the 2 rays will meet after refraction. Clear? So let us take our object beyond 2f1. 2f1 से पीछे. This is the point where I have taken the object beyond 2f1. So what does our rule say? If the ray is coming parallel to the principal axis, कैसे आएगा, parallel to the principal axis. If the ray is coming parallel to the principal axis, this is parallel ray to the principal axis. So this parallel ray will pass through the focus. This ray will pass through the focus. Because what does our first rule say? Says that a ray parallel to the principal axis after refraction, because it is a converging lens, so after refraction it will pass through the focus. Clear? So one more ray we have to take to make the image formation, to find out the location of the image. So we'll use optical center. The ray will pass through the optical center without any deviation, will pass. Clear? Without any deviation it will pass. So we'll pass another ray with the optical center. कहाँ से पास किया हमने? ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से पास किया. Clear? Will pass this ray from optical center. हमने ऑप्टिकल सेंटर से सेकेंड रे पास किया. Clear? So where these two rays will meet? These two rays will meet at point there between F2 and 2F2. Clear? So if I join this ray with the perpendicular axis, this will appear an inverted image of this object. If AB is object, then A dash or B dash A dash, ठीक है ना, arrow A dash B dash is the image of this object. And now if the object is at 2F1, object is beyond 2F1, 2F1 से पीछे है, the where is the image is formed? Image is formed between F2 and 2F2. F2 and 2F2 के बीच में बनेगी. Clear? And what is the nature? Is the rays are actually meeting or they are appearing to meet? They are actually meeting. So when the rays are actually meeting, what type of images form? Real and inverted images form. Real and inverted images form. Clear? And what is the size of image? The size of image is, this image is smaller than the object. This is the image and this is the object. So it is smaller than the object. Smaller than the object. Clear? Thank you, student.